how to stop auto download of photos and videos on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, does your WhatsApp auto download photos and videos and you don't want it? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how you can stop it. Open up your WhatsApp, then go to settings on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then go to storage and data. Now scroll down. So under media auto download, tap on photos, and if it is set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular, then set it to never. Similarly, do the same for audio, and you can do the same for video and documents as well. Now, if you set it to never, then WhatsApp will not auto download the photos, videos, as well as audio and documents for you. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.